Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, push button start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.